In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a shape in Google Slides with an image. Whether you're working on a school project, preparing a business pitch, or just designing something creative, adding images into shapes can make your slides look more engaging and visually appealing. It's a small trick, but it can make a big difference in how professional your presentation feels. The first step is to head over to Google Slides. If you're not signed in already, you'll need to log in with your Google account. This gives you access to all your saved presentations and ensures your work is stored safely in the cloud. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the option to open an existing file or start a brand new one. For this tutorial, let's begin with a blank presentation. If you'd like a bit more style right away, you can also pick one of Google's built-in themes. It really depends on your preference and the type of project you're working on. Now let's move on to choosing the image you want to use. You can upload a picture from your computer, search the web directly from inside Google Slides, or select an image you've already inserted into your presentation. Make sure the image is clear and relevant to your content because it's going to stand out once it's placed inside a shape. Once your image is ready, click on it to highlight it. At the top toolbar, you'll find an option called Mask Image. This is where the real magic happens. Click on the small arrow next to it, and you'll see a drop-down menu with different categories. Hover over the Shapes option, and you'll notice a wide variety of choices: circles, rectangles, arrows, stars, and many more. For this demonstration, let's go with a circle. It's a classic versatile option that works well if you want to highlight key images or add profile pictures. After you select it, your image will automatically adjust and fit perfectly inside the circular shape. It only takes a second, but the effect is eye-catching and polished. You can take it even further by resizing or repositioning the shape, adding borders, or applying color effects to match the style of your overall slide. This gives you plenty of flexibility to design slides that truly reflect your theme and message. And of course, you can try different shapes to see which one complements your presentation the best. And that's it. You now know how to fill a shape in Google Slides with an image. This technique is simple, quick, and can instantly elevate the look of your slides, whether you're presenting in a classroom, a meeting room, or even online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you create more dynamic and visually appealing presentations. Don't be afraid to experiment with different shapes and images to really make your slides stand out.